Good morning everyone! Nandito tayo sa NLEX kasama ang Motorcycle Republic para sa kanilang Ride to La Union, powered by Moto Market.
I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Trina from Vespa Kikay, and today I will be joining Motorismo and Moto Republic sa ride ng La Union. So it's gonna be my first time na mag-long ride, 'di ba? So, syempre pag mga long ride, especially malalayo na ride, dapat naka-protective gears tayo. And I'm wearing my LS2 Garda jacket, LS2 Dart Lady gloves, and of course, LS2 Vector 2 carbon helmet to keep me safe and protected sa ride namin, syempre.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Mag-iikot tayo ngayon sa La Union.
Hapon, late na ako nakapag-empake, so late na rin ako nakatulog. Buti na lang, sobrang gandang gamitin tong bagong bag ng Oxford. So itong backpack, sobrang useful nito. Ang bilis mag-empake. So pasok mo lang lahat ng gamit diyan. Sobrang nakakatuwa.
Kung pupunta kayo dito sa La Union, bago kayo dumiretso sa surfing area sa May San Juan, make sure to drop by dito sa San Fernando Lighthouse, or otherwise known as Poro Point din ang tawag nila dito. So, sama kayo sa biyahe namin.
Go lang, left forward, go, nice. Let's go! Nice one! Wala pala kami, guys!
Ready for your next adventure? Ride with the confidence of protection you can trust, no matter how wild the ride. Available at Motor Market, Motor World and Moto Style. Visit motorworld.com.ph for more details.